Do you know what's in your gutters? Does your gutters look like this?
Ugh, gross.
Look like this? And All-Terrain Cleaning Solutions, LLC, if you're in the Sacramento region. Gutter cleaning service, roof cleaning service, house wash, patios, driveways, dryer vent bird proofing, solar panel cleaning, exterior soft wash. We got you covered. That's the Supreme Clean. Hey, what's going on, A-Team? It's your Captain Terrain again with All-Terrain Cleaning Solutions, LLC. Visit us online at allterrain.com for the Supreme Clean. Today, we're out in Carmichael, and we're doing a gutter clean around this one-story, about 2,500 square foot home. Has also a detached, separate garage right there. And yeah, the gutters, they go all the way around, so it's a pretty big area to clean, a lot of linear feet. But the good thing about it is that our clients here religiously take care of their gutters. So just take a look down inside of here. I went to where all the downspouts are, so what we want to do is make sure that we get all the heavy, big stuff out before we get ready to see the hoses up, before we get ready to go ahead and flush them all out right here. You can see this downspout right here. Some debris down in there a little bit. So we'll go ahead and get all this up quickly, right? And some people blow, but that makes a mess down there. We're just going to use our gutter scoop and push everything all the way down, and then come back with the nozzle. This area doesn't look too bad. Right here, of course, we're not going anywhere near that. This is a safety thing right here. This is an actual hot line as well as a cable line, so we don't want to go anywhere near that. We'll spray and hit this area right here, get all this all clean. And on this particular gutter, you can see some sediment right here, right? It's muddy down here, so we want to clear this out, which I want to clear this downspout, and I'm going to clear the downspout out there, but the same thing. We're going to take our extension gutter scoop and extend it pole and push all this down, scoop everything out, and then voila. And the other side of it, not too bad, so like I said, it goes all the way around. Look at that, way over there. You can see the river here, to this backside right here. This side, you can get a visual. What we do the Supreme Clean, and here you got some sediment. Do the same thing with this, all this all scooped out. That's going to be the first thing that we do. And then you look back here, the backside, and the gutters here. See that downspout, but this is from the last rain. A lot of heavy torrential rain come down. We expecting some a wet week this upcoming week. So this gutter's not extremely dirty. It's very deep. As I said, the plants here take care of their regular maintenance. That's what you want to do, keep this stuff clean. So I think that now after I consulted with them and gave them a consultation, I think I'm going to be all-terrain now. We're welcome. I'll get to the 18. We'll be doing the gutter cleaning. Here you have this overhang, this patio cover right there. So when you look down in there, you can see some sediment. We're going to rinse this all the way down so we can get to an angle where we can shoot it down here. So we'll shoot either that way, down this way, and then shoot all this stuff right here. You can see this down right here has leaves and stuff there. So we'll get this out right here. Do the same thing with the big stuff inside of this gutter. Get all this stuff out, scoop it out, and come spray and rinse it. Make all the downspouts going on. Same thing with this one right here. You can see, right? We'll scoop all these out manually before we even come and blow anything out. And then after everything scooped to the end, take everything out and blow it out. Same thing, have another huge patio right here. Again, notice walking over whenever you see some hot water. Definitely make sure that you don't step on it. It does look like right here. This particular thing on this patio cover hasn't been cleaned. So I think this is about, I was guesstimate 10, maybe 40 feet long, 45 feet long or so. This is, I'm going to bring this to your attention. Okay, allterrain.com. It's free clean. We'll be back with that. It's a big area. I'll see the full perimeter. Like I said, we got that detached garage over there. We'll do the gutters as well. All right, stay tuned.